Have you heard the rumors that the federal government is using artificial intelligence to check your trucking registration? While it might sound like science fiction, the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration is moving from physical paperwork to an active digital scanning gate. This new gate is called Motus. It is a modernized digital registration system built to replace the filing methods carriers have used for decades. Motus is designed to fill in your data automatically, run checks for typing errors as you work, and identify fraudulent registrations before they are approved. Motus operates on a validation model. Every detail you enter is checked against federal records in real time, and the system will stop an update if the information provided doesn't align with what the government already knows about your company. Compliance is no longer a static piece of paper sitting in a file cabinet. It is an active digital environment where errors are identified the moment they are submitted. To understand how this works, we need to look at the technology involved. The agency uses a specialized partner called IDEMIA, which works with login.gov to verify exactly who is trying to access your company's records. This diagram shows how artificial intelligence functions here. The software scans your face to create a digital map, comparing it to your official ID. It then looks for tampering, scanning document edges, checking fonts, and validating ID numbers to spot counterfeits. Despite these automated checks, human beings still handle the actual compliance reviews. The artificial intelligence acts as a fraud prevention layer at the front door, rather than a replacement for human oversight. Some might assume the new identity check is just a basic photo upload. In reality, the system performs a detailed scan of your physical features that a standard photograph cannot replicate. This technology does not evaluate your fleet's safety performance. Its only job is to ensure the person filing the paperwork is actually who they claim to be. Trucking operations face a major challenge. Vital information is stored in separate silos: dispatch, safety, and accounting. Load planning depends on active registration. A mismatch stalls trucks. Furthermore, compliance and accounting records must align identically, or the system blocks needed updates. This brings us to the MCS 150 form. While it doesn't use facial scanning technology, it is a critical tool for keeping your company's data accurate in the eyes of the government. The MCS 150 is often viewed as a routine chore. However, the data you provide on this form is used to calculate your fleet's safety scores. If you submit an incorrect truck count or mileage total, the system will miscalculate your risk level. A simple clerical error can make a safe carrier appear dangerous to investigators. If you are a new carrier, you should know that new entrant audits are still conducted by human investigators. They will review your documents to ensure you have safety management controls in place. The digital gate acts as a filter. If your company's internal data is inconsistent at the start of the registration, that friction will follow you through every other part of your operation. For most carriers, the greatest risk to the business is not the new technology itself. The real risk is internal disorganization. Digital systems will quickly expose gaps in your office. If one person has login credentials, another has the insurance papers, and a third knows truck counts, you are likely to encounter serious delays. You can prepare for these changes by using your own digital tools to organize documents and standardize your records. Identifying missing information now prevents a deadline from becoming an emergency later. If you were asked to verify your identity and your fleet data today, would your records tell one consistent story? Managing a fleet under the Motus system means maintaining a single, verified set of facts across your entire company.